How to fix Instagram not linking on your TikTok profile. So if you want to fix Instagram not linking on your TikTok profile, then first you need to open up your TikTok application. Once you open up your TikTok, go with the profile, which is on the bottom right. Once you're under your profile, now if you're not being able to fix the problem of linking your TikTok profile, then go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon. Go with settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, scroll down, go with report a problem. Go with account and profile, go with profile page and tap on other and go with need more help, and it will take you to the TikTok help desk where you need to simply enter I'm having issues with not being able to link my Instagram profile to my TikTok account, so please fix this problem for me. Once you enter that, you just need to simply go with send or submit. Once you've submitted, then your problem will be fixed. You will receive an email from the TikTok help and you will have some steps on how you can recover that. So that's how you can fix your Instagram not linking on your TikTok profile. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.